Stone Old Farts fishing. We're not fishing today. No,
But we are on a boat.
we are on a boat.
The jet boat time.
We are going on a jet boat. We're gonna go ride some whitewater. Had an amazing time with Kevin Brock yesterday. We got on a few salmon and got some great footage. And now today is a play day. And we're gonna go have some fun. And, if you find us at the bottom of the river, it was nice knowing you. Hopefully, you'll see this video of all of our fun today. If not, we send our love.
You know they had an accident here on Monday.
What?
Yeah, one of these boats crashed into a jet boat out here. It made it news and everything. Yeah. For real?
For real. I read it.
We're gonna die.
Did they make it?
Did they make it?
The 7 people were injured. It wasn't this company, it was another one.
Oh, cool. It's a different company. We're safe. We're
Let's see, first part of the day is going to be a bit more mellow, kind of cruising upstream, telling some stories, hopefully finding some critters to look at, that sort of thing. As it gets warmer throughout the day, going to get a bit bumpier, lots more wet. Get up to Agnes, Oregon in about an hour and a half. Everybody's going to put on a life jacket. All right, at that point, it gets a bunch more bumpy, a lot more wet, up in the white water for about an hour. Coming back down after that, we're going to go eat at Cooper Lane Law. After that, we're going to come home. Sound good? Yeah. That's your option. That's what I'm doing. Yeah,
Thank you.